Are you looking for the best affiliate marketing mentor? Someone to follow for massive success as an affiliate marketer? Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. And at the risk of sounding like I'm bragging, I want to tell you why you should think of me as your personal affiliate marketing mentor. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. I've been in the home business industry for over 30 years now. I spent over 20 years as a full-time network marketer and affiliate marketer. I haven't worked a real full-time job in years, and it's awesome. Bottom line, I know what works and what does not work, and I can help you have massive success too, whether you're just starting out in affiliate marketing or if you've been at it for a while but just not had the success you were hoping for. I first started online marketing almost at the beginning of the internet. The bulk of my success comes from learning how to leverage the power of online marketing, generating a volume of traffic from free marketing strategies, creating a daily flow of high-quality leads from that traffic, and then using effective email marketing to follow up and build a relationship with those leads and convert them into sales is what I do best. I'm big on systems. And leveraging the power of the internet is also how I leverage my time too. See, I'm not just in affiliate marketing for the money, but the time freedom also. When we team up, I will show you how I only work a few hours per week and how you can do the same thing too. I even build my business while I'm sailing in the summer or skiing in the winter when most people are busy at their jobs. Again, it's the power of leverage. I invite you to learn more about me at my blog, joebarclay.com. I share a little about me, but more importantly, my home business journey, why I should be your mentor, and what you can expect when we work together. And right up front, I am not the highest earning affiliate marketer, nowhere near, but I'm good, very good, and accessible too. Try getting one of the very top earners to return your phone call or text. Most won't even give you their number. While you're at my blog, be sure to pick up a copy of my free ebook, The Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint. It will help you cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success by copying what works, no matter what business you build. In fact, that's my training and mentoring motto. Take the fast track to success by copying what works. When we work together, you will never feel the need to reinvent the wheel again. That's my secret to success and the one that will work for you too. Copy what works. You just need the right system. I will show you exactly how to create an almost immediate change in your financial health, how to leverage a significant lifetime residual income too, plus how to create the time freedom to enjoy it all. And so you're aware, I do not work personally with just anyone. Just like you, I only have so much time. On my blog, I outline the kind of person I'm looking to work with. If that sounds like you, I explain what to do next. Also on my blog, you'll find a short list of tools and resources I use and recommend, whether we work together or not. Each of them can help you build any business faster. Please feel free to reach out to me with questions at any time. I always enjoy sharing ideas with other marketers. I'll be glad to share all the details on what's working so well for us and our team and how it can do the same for you too. Thanks for watching. I hope you have massive success in affiliate marketing too. We'll talk again soon.